If zero-based learning of crochet, then saving this one video is enough. First I will teach everyone how to cast on, hooking chain stitches. First is the way to hold the yarn. The yarn end hangs on the pinky finger. The index finger picks up the yarn. The left hand thumb and middle finger pinch the yarn end. The right hand holds the crochet hook. Like holding a pen, the crochet hook is placed on the yarn. You can use the right hand middle finger to fix the yarn, turn it downwards and wrap it up. Here a cross point will be formed. The crochet hook wraps the yarn and brings the yarn through. The left hand pinches this cross point. Tighten the loop below slightly. This is called casting on. It does not count as a stitch. Next I will teach everyone how to hook chain stitches. The crochet hook wraps the yarn and pulls it through the loop. This forms a V-shaped stitch. This is called a braid stitch, also called a chain stitch. In written diagrams it is represented by CH. In graphic diagrams it is represented by an oval. The crochet hook wraps the yarn and pulls it through. This makes 2 braid stitches. Wrap the yarn and pull through for 3 braid stitches. However many small circles there are in the diagram, or however many CH there are, that indicates how many braid stitches to crochet. Braid stitch is also called chain stitch. The crocheting method is the same. Next I will teach everyone how to crochet a single crochet. After finishing the braid stitches, we need to crochet 1 braid stitch as a turning chain. Crochet hook wraps the yarn, bring the yarn through. This turning chain is equivalent to standing vertically like this. Insert the hook into the second stitch from the end. After inserting the needle, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, bring the yarn through, 2 loops on the hook. Wrap the yarn and pull through these 2 loops together. This is called a single crochet. Insert the needle and bring the yarn through. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through these 2 loops. There are 2 methods for single crochet. One is called cross single crochet. One is called regular single crochet. After inserting the needle, bringing the yarn through like this is called regular single crochet. After inserting the needle, hook above, yarn below, press the yarn and hook it out, wrap the yarn and pull through. This is called cross single crochet. Single crochet is represented by X in written diagrams. In picture diagrams it is represented by a plus sign. The effect of the crocheting is different. Next learn the half double crochet. Half double crochet needs 2 chain stitches to serve as standing stitches. Wrap the yarn and pull through, 1 chain stitch. Wrap the yarn and pull through, 2 chain stitches. At this point crochet a half double crochet, which is also back 3 stitches. Yarn over the crochet hook and insert the hook here into the 3rd stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Now there are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops at once. The middle finger and thumb of the left hand can pull the fabric down slightly, creating a gap in the middle. Point the crochet hook head toward the gap below. Pull it through from inside the gap. This is called a half double crochet. Yarn over in the next stitch. Insert the hook and bring the yarn through, 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over the crochet hook and pull through here. This is called a half double crochet. Half double crochet is represented by T in written diagrams. In pictures it is also represented by T. Next I will teach everyone how to crochet a double crochet. After the foundation chain is made, you need to crochet 3 chain stitches to serve as the turning chain. Yarn over and pull out 1 chain stitch. 2 chain stitches, 3 chain stitches. Wrap yarn and insert hook into the 4th stitch here, which is hooking back into the 4th, bring the yarn out. 3 loops on the crochet hook, wrap yarn. First pull through the front 2 loops. 2 loops remain on the crochet hook. Wrap yarn again, pull through the last 2 loops. This is called a double crochet. Wrap yarn, insert hook into one side here, bring the yarn out, 3 loops on the crochet hook. Wrap yarn and pull through the first 2 loops. Wrap yarn and pull through the last 2 loops. Double crochet is represented by F in written diagrams. In graphic diagrams it is represented by a symbol like this. Like and follow, learn more.